Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida, and today's going to be an interesting one. It's kind of a calm day at Haulover, but we got a lot of big boats coming through, so we're going to do it a little different. Instead of Boats vs. Haulover, it's going to be Boats vs. Boat. I want you guys to help me pick which boat does the best run today, but we're also going to flip it up just a little bit and make things interesting. That's right, you may know we do some giveaways on my channel like the Drain Plug Mafia tumblers, and today we're going to give one away here. Really simple. All you have to do to be eligible to win this, hit the like button now, make sure you're subscribed to this channel, and leave a comment at some point during the video of which boat you think does the best run. We're going to pick somebody who comments, and they're going to win a free Drain Plug Mafia tumbler. Let's go! And our first contestant to step in the ring and try and be the boat that's victorious today is going to be an Apache 47 as it makes its approach on the way to Haulover. This is a pretty famous boat. This boat was confiscated back in the 80s for, well, you know, what these kind of boats were meant to do. But today this boat has a different purpose, and that's for absolutely destroying Haulover. Here we can see this Apache 47 has the throttles pinned, cap is straight sending it into the inlet, they're catching air, props out of the water, dogs barking the whole way through, and a really solid run and definitely a contender for this one. And round number 2 is going to feature a Nortec with quad 450s coming through the inlet, and here we go. Cap's got the throttle pinned on this one as well. My man is getting some air here. Oh man, gets the whole boat out of the water right there, lands it back down, keeps on, it doesn't miss a beat, and this Nortec looks pretty solid as well, but it's going to be close. That Apache really killed it, and I'm not quite sure this is enough to get my vote on this one, but once again, you're going to have to let me know in the comments if it gets yours. And here we go, round 3, and here we're going to feature a Mystic making its way toward the mouth of Haulover. And right here, it looks pretty solid. They are moving. It's tough to tell when the boat's coming at us how fast they're going, but the boys have it floored. My man's coming in pretty solid. Looks like they might back off the throttle a little bit here because they're kind of getting bounced around by Haulover, and they do slow it down just a tad as they approach this heavy following sea, but the boys are going to send it in, but not quite as fast as some of the other vessels we saw. In round 4, we've got a real contender as we're going to have a cobia coming in with a single 250 on the back, but they've added a little more complexity to this one than some of our other contestants because we've tossed some bow riders into the mix. But let's see how our boat handles it as it makes its way out the mouth of the inlet, and let's see if we can keep the ladies dry. I know that's not typically the goal, but let's see how they handle it. And so far they look pretty good, but we are heading out into the rollers. Let's see how they fare. They're keeping that slower pace, and sometimes that doesn't pay off, but once again, it's a calmer day here at Haulover, and it looks like they're going to make their way out. Let's go ahead and bring in our 5th and final contestant in this contest, and it's going to be a fountain. And actually, this appears to be one of the older fountains. Somebody's redid it up, though. Boat looks good. They are absolutely flying out of the inlet. Smacks down hard, but the crew's going to keep on the throttle, and it's going to make it an interesting contest. So I'm curious, guys, after seeing our 5 contestants blast through the inlet, let me know which one's your winner in the comments below for your shot at winning a Drain Plug Mafia tumbler. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.